Hello everyone, welcome to How Was the Market Today. What a thrilling Sensex expiry we witnessed on 15th July. Let's break it all down. On the daily chart, the previous close was 82,253. It opened at 82,233, a 20-point gap down, but went as high as 82,743. That's a 500-point up move. But finally closed at 82,570, but still 317 points up. After 3 straight red candles, we finally got a green close on the expiry day. In the 5-minute chart, when you look, the first candle opened at 82,233 and dipped slightly to 82,220. Then a 230-point rally to 82,457. But then again, from 9:30 to 10, a 160-point fall. A massive rally started at 10 o'clock. Between 10 and 11, a 400-point rally taking the index to 82,730. Then again from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. it consolidated and fell to 82,450, finally closing at 82,616. If you look at the options market, let's look at 82,200 put option. It opened at 122, crashed to 35 by 9:30, that is within 15 minutes. Then again the next 10 minutes went back to 140, another 100-point move. From there again it collapsed and expired at 0. For example, if a buyer who bought at 122 at opening, he would have deployed a capital of 2,440. It expired worthless. He would have made a loss of 2,440. But if he had sold at 140, he would have still made a profit of rupees 360. The seller who sold at 122, he got the entire money as profit. 2,440 is the premium paid was his profit. But on the contrary, if the seller who sold at 35 rupees, the bottom entry, he faced a heavy loss of 2,100 rupees. Let's look at the call option. 82,200C, it made a low of 178 at 10:20. But in the next 1 hour, by 11:10, it made a 400-point surge, moving up to 580 rupees. But again dropped back to 263, closed at 370. If a buyer bought at the low at 178, then sold at the high at 580, he would have made a profit of 11,600 rupees for a capital of just 3,560. That's a profit of 226%. Huge. But late entry buyers would have made a heavy loss. So the expiry day takeaways: put buyers who did not book early got wiped out completely. Call buyers who timed the entry post 10 a.m. got multi-bagger returns. Option sellers with discipline earned stable profits. Volatility is equal to opportunity only if managed well. Sensex expiry gave everything: dips, rallies and traps. Timing was key. While one side saw complete capital erosion, the other side delivered 100 to 200% returns. Remember, on expiry, fortune favors the quick and the disciplined. If you enjoyed this analysis, hit like, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more daily market episodes like this. See you tomorrow with more insights. Thank you.